Well, let's now talk about first the Sushant Singh Rajput probe. Well, on the fourth day of the investigation having been taken over by the CBI, it is questioning Siddharth Pithani, Neeraj Singh and Deepesh Sawant at Santa Cruz. The CBI team has also visited the resort where Sushant spent time with Rhea Chakrabarti, the main accused in this case. Meanwhile, if sources are to be believed, the agency has started procedure to issue summons to Rhea Chakrabarti. But Rhea's advocate in a statement has denied any summons being issued and received by her so far. And there's no official statement that has come from the agency either. Let's get you an update on what is really happening, which way do we think that the investigation is headed. Let's go across to Yogesh, my colleague in Mumbai. Yogesh, what can you tell us in terms of how the investigation has been taken up by the CBI, the people being questioned, the resort being visited today as well? In which direction is the CBI taking this particular case?
Gautam, at this point in time, what we can say that CBI basically asking questions to all the house staff, housekeeping, and also the close friends of Sushant Singh Rajput. So basically, the questionings are currently going on with the people they are associated with the with Sushant Singh Rajput. But let me also say that all 6 accused that have been named in the FIR filed by the Central Bureau of Investigation, and also the other accused that CBI has named 6 people and other people 6 people. Where Rhea Chakrabarti, Indrajit Chakrabarti is the father of Rhea, and also Sovik Chakrabarti, Sandhya Chakrabarti, Shruti Modi and Samuel Miranda. These 6 are accused in this case, and also other. But as of now, not even a single person in the accused list has been questioned by the CBI. That is very interesting. The second thing, what we heard in the morning that CBI is likely to issue a summon to Rhea Chakrabarti, but as of now, summon has not been issued by the CBI. The agency has said right now, and also her lawyer has confirmed that as of now, Rhea Chakrabarti has not received any summons. So these 2 are the latest developments. As far as the recreation of the scene has already been done by the agency, and the questionings are still underway. But as of now, Rhea Chakrabarti, the main accused in this case, has not been questioned. However, CBI and also the other teams working with the CBI, like forensic team, like other teams which are associated with the agency to investigate the case, are just going through all the statements, all the evidences that they were given by the Mumbai police, and also the statement earlier that was recorded by the Enforcement Directorate. So currently the corroboration of the statements are going on. Now what remains to be seen that when Rhea is served summon by the agency, because it is expected that Rhea would be asked about the circumstances which prompted Sushant Singh Rajput, which prompted her to leave his home. So right. There are number of questions, because since all the questioning that have been done so far, all the statements that are with the CBI as of now, so entire thing will be confronted with the main accused Rhea Chakrabarti. So that remains to be seen that when the summons is to be served to Rhea Chakrabarti in this case. Yeah, Gautam.
All right, you keep an eye on what is happening and let us know. Thanks a lot for joining us for the moment, Yogesh. Sheetal.